Today we are making an expandable piston extender in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I actually have two designs here. One design is vertical, but I'm gonna do this at 100 subscribers. I haven't hit this milestone yet. So I'm just gonna show you that it works. So today, anyways, so today we're gonna do this horizontal one. As you can see, it is really simple. Doesn't even use any observers. Don't know why I put that in my hotbar. Anyways, it extends, but what you won't expect is that it also retracts. They all line back up to the start. So, first thing that you want to do is to find the flat area that you want to build. There's like nowhere that you can't build this. And then you can just put as many pistons as you want, as long as they're until 12 pistons. So I'm gonna do 12 pistons since that's the maximum and that's the coolest. And then add your block. And then just take some blocks and just spam them to make like a big bridge like that above the pistons. And then place redstone dust evenly spaced apart like this, as the same amount of pistons that you have is the same amount of redstone dust that you have. So then take out your redstone repeaters. Look at which side your pistons are facing. Place a repeater in each gap like this. And then click each repeater once so it's on 2 ticks. And then put a lever and flick it. And that is the extension circuit done. What is the hard part is the retraction. But I've already know how to do it anyways. So then take the number of pistons and minus it by 1. So in my case it's 11. And place the same amount of blocks as this, evenly spaced apart like this. Then get redstone torches and place them in the same direction as the pistons like this on the side of the blocks. And then also on this side. And then place a repeater like this. And click them 2 times. So click 2 times, and so that you can set them to 3 ticks. And then go back here, place a repeater on 3 ticks on each block. Don't know why I built this next to an extremely deep cavern, but anyways. And then oh yeah, if you're building this on Java edition, you can make this a 2 tick repeater instead of 3 ticks, but since I'm on Bedrock, this is on 3 ticks. And on Java edition, these do not need to be ticked. They can be simply left on 1 tick, like this one. So then just place the repeaters and set all of them to 3 ticks. Go all the way to the start and place a block diagonal to this repeater, and then a block in front of each on repeater. take out your redstone torches again. Place a redstone torch here, 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 and so on. Oops, I accidentally placed one on the ground. I should have placed them on the sides. And then, after you finish the second layer of torches, take out your redstone repeaters. Do not touch them, as well as in Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. And place them on the ground facing this side. And then go to the opposite direction and just keep placing repeaters. And then set this to 2 ticks. Do the same thing on Java Edition as well. And then add blocks between them. And then take a 2-tick repeater, place it like this, 3-tick repeater, block, 1-tick repeater, 2-tick repeater, block, redstone dust, and also dust here. And then just staircase down with the redstone dust with this staircase, and then just connect it up here. This should get locked since this bedrock box appears. And then you can finally time to test it. As you can see, it works just fine. And it is really fast. So I made a tutorial faster. What I mean by that is I made a bedrock tutorial and I made the repeater ticks all faster. Like for the extension circuit, I didn't change anything, but for the retraction circuit, these repeaters were on 4 ticks. I changed them to 3 ticks, as well as these ones. These ones were on 4 ticks. Now they're on 2 ticks because it works. And I just basically made them as fast as possible. To me, the retraction looks so cool. That just looks so cool.